Right, occasionally we may have some issues with a bumpy latch. The way to get over a bumpy latch is to just use the maintenance grease, the GLS200, and I'll demonstrate a bumpy latch now from the inside. This is where we get the bumpy latch, where we haven't got the ease of the latch releasing off the receiver on the outside. Now if we go to the outside, we'll look at putting some spray grease to hopefully eliminate that situation. And also we'll do the chute bolts at the same time. Work them in and out. And also the deadlock. This is just good general maintenance. And hopefully the latch will be much easier to use. There we go, perfect.